Hey friends, welcome back to the channel, where we turn your laptop and a bit of curiosity into real income streams. If you're looking to make money online with just your laptop and internet, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how you can start earning up to $3,000 a month using AI tools. No fancy degree, no huge investment, and no need to be a tech genius. I'll break down 3 ridiculously easy AI-powered side hustles that anyone can start, even if you're a total beginner. These are perfect for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone looking to boost their income. First up, content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT and Writesonic can whip up blogs, YouTube scripts, or social media posts in just a few clicks. Imagine never staring at a blank page again. These tools do the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on getting your message out there. Here's how I'd do it. I'd simply type into ChatGPT, write a blog on 10 passive income ideas in the USA, and boom, in under a minute, I've got a shiny new article. You can tweak it, add your own voice, and it's ready to go. No more hours spent brainstorming or writing from scratch. Now, how do I turn that into cash? Simple. I'd set up a freelance gig on Fiverr or Upwork, offering blog writing or social posts for businesses. There are thousands of small businesses and creators who need fresh content, but don't have the time or skills to write it themselves. Or if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, start your own blog and monetize with AdSense. Over time, as your blog grows, you can earn passive income from ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. It's a long-term play, but the potential is huge. Earnings? You can easily make $20 to $100 per article, and with a few clients, that adds up super quick. Imagine writing just 5 articles a week. That's an extra $500 or more in your pocket every month, and it only scales up from there. Second, let's talk about graphic design with AI. Even if you've never touched Photoshop or Illustrator, you can still create professional quality graphics that people will pay for. No Photoshop skills? Absolutely no problem. AI design tools have made it so easy that anyone can jump in and start creating. Tools like Canva and Designs.ai let you create stunning banners, YouTube thumbnails, and business cards with drag and drop ease. You can use templates, customize colors and fonts, and export your designs in minutes. I'd set up a gig on Fiverr, something like, I will design eye-catching YouTube thumbnails with AI. And then I'd reach out to creators on Instagram. There are millions of YouTubers and small businesses who need fresh professional graphics every week. Each design can earn you $10 to $50, and if you get just 5 clients a day, you're looking at $200 daily. That's $1,000 a week, working from home, on your own schedule. Not bad for a hustle you can run in your pajamas. Plus, as you build your portfolio, you can charge more and attract bigger clients. Third, AI for voiceover and Reels automation. This is perfect if you love social media or want to get into content creation without showing your face. Tools like ElevenLabs and Play.ht can generate natural-sounding voiceovers in English, Hindi, or pretty much any language you want. You can create audiobooks, explainer videos, or even podcasts without ever recording your own voice. I'd use these for making snappy Instagram Reels, offering voiceover gigs on Fiverr, or even running my own YouTube automation channel. The demand for short-form video content is exploding, and businesses are willing to pay for quality voiceovers and editing. Here's the workflow. Get a script from ChatGPT, make a voiceover with ElevenLabs, throw it all together in Canva, and let your content start earning for you, even while you sleep. You can batch create content, schedule it, and watch the views and the dollars roll in. So here's the bottom line. AI isn't just a fun tech toy anymore. It's a real way to start earning money online with zero upfront skills. The best part? You can start today, from anywhere in the world. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to be smart and start. The sooner you dive in, the faster you'll learn, and the more you'll earn. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. If you're thinking about freelancing or want a side hustle that actually pays, give AI a shot. Honestly, there's never been a better time. The tools are getting smarter, the opportunities are growing, and the competition is still low. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with a friend, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try. Your feedback helps me make even better videos for you. I'll see you in the next video. Learn AI, sell skills, earn dollars. Let's get it. Remember, your journey to financial freedom could start with just one click and a little bit of AI magic.